You want to be a faceless content creator on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and post daily content without having a huge time commitment to filming and editing? Well, it's actually possible. By leveraging AI, you can create content that can actually earn you money and eliminate the boring aspects of content creation. By using AI, you can also create a mystery factor around yourself and the content that you're putting out there, just like many faceless creators that are popular on the internet today. Let's get started right now, and I'll show you how to use Bith.ai to create content without using your face. All you need to do is go to Bith.ai on either your phone or your PC. After you've signed up, you'll see all of the tools that Bith.ai has to offer. But the only one that we're going to be concerned with right now is the video generator tool. So we're just going to go ahead and click there. We're going to start with a prompt. So the prompt that I've chosen is the story of Jeffrey Dahmer. And once we've got our prompt input, now what we have to do is select our language. We're going to leave it on English. Video duration, we're going to leave it on 1 minute. We're going to leave the video dimensions on 9:16, since our intended use for this would be YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Then we're going to choose storytelling rather than educational, and let's make it horror. We're going to add background music. Horror theme is always better with music. We're going to have the motion effects, and we're going to click next. From here, we're going to choose a voice. All right, we're going to go ahead and use Hades. We're going to click next, and now we can choose historical, cinematic, photorealistic, fantasy. Let's go ahead and do horror. And now generate script. Now we're going to wait just a moment, and the script will be ready for our review. All right, there we have it. We have our script. Everything looks good to me. I don't want to make any changes, so I'm just going to click generate scenes. Once again, wait just a few seconds. And wow, already these images are amazing and kind of terrifying. So let's go ahead and look at what we can change in here. We can remove the animations, we can remove the subtitles, or we could remove the background music, but we don't want to do any of that. Instead, let's go over to our subtitles. We've got our voiceover voice chosen. We don't want to regenerate. We want to leave that how it is. And this looks great. So let's go ahead. Since this is horror, let's go over to text, and I want to change the bubble. I want to change it to red, and we can change the duration of some of these as well. Let's shorten that one's length, and this one just no, we'll leave that one. We're gonna move that, and we're gonna adjust here. I like the baby. It's very scary, but see, the text goes with the images, so his trial, that's where we want that image to be. So we are going to move that one over. Now I'm going to go ahead and play it back. You're not going to see it, but I am going to watch it back, make sure that it flows pretty well, and then I will bring you back. All right, I really like that. I like the flow of it. So we're going to go ahead and maybe just change one more thing, the font. So we got Montserrat right now. Let's go ahead and look through these fonts, and I'm going to change it to Baloo by Jean, and we're going to click export video up in the top. From here, you can go back to the studio and start on another video. You don't have to wait for this to finish before you move on. It will tell you, it'll notify you when it's done, and we're done. That took no time at all. Now, before I show you the video, let's go ahead and look at how you download the video. It's real simple. You just click download right here, and I will show you the video now.
Have you ever pondered what compels someone to commit unimaginable horrors? Jeffrey Dahmer, a name that evokes terror, harbors sinister secrets. Join us as we delve into the chilling story of a man whose heinous crimes stunned the world. Born in 1960, Dahmer showed alarming behaviors from a young age. His fixation on death and control led him down a gruesome path. Between 1978 and 1991, he brutally murdered 17 young men, engaging in acts of cannibalism and necrophilia. Captured in 1991, his trial exposed a mind consumed by dark desires. Dahmer's tale serves as a haunting reminder of humanity's potential for darkness. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Until next time, stay vigilant and remember, evil can be closer than you think.
All right, how was that? Terrifying, right? But that's all I've got for you today. Please subscribe so you don't miss our next video. 10 in-demand topic channel ideas for faceless creators that can help make you money. If you liked this video, which I assume you did if you stuck around this long, please like the video, comment, and share it with somebody else you know. We really appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video.